Hello, class. Today I'm going to be talking about microorganizational behavior. I have an outline of a singular puzzle piece right now because this is what microorganizational behavior is. It's the study of an individual and how they fit into the company. So let's begin with that. Microorganizational behavior is the research of how an individual fits into the company. They look into decision making, emotions, and social perceptions of behaviors, along with cognition, behavior decision making, even culture and gender. The goal of microorganizational behavior studies is to learn about employees' personalities, how to best reward them, and ways to make employees more productive. The ultimate goal of these studies is to make profits improve in the company. Now, this may also be known as organizational behavior whenever it comes to talking about groups. But for the purpose of this class and what you'll learn in the textbook is group studies also fall under microorganizational behavior. This is the study of how teams and groups work together in the workplace, if they're compatible or not, and if their personalities align in order to have a successful team. If you don't have a successful team working on a project that's really important for the company, the project most likely won't be finished, or if it is, it probably won't be to the best work that the company is needing. And this is important because every project is important for the company in order to improve profits and customer experiences. Let's have another example. For example, how does a manager affect their team? And I realize I have a typo here, so just ignore that. That's totally supposed to be an N. If the manager has a bad attitude, how does that affect their team? Or, for most companies, department? Does that bad attitude trickle down to the team? Or does the team just simply ignore it and continue on with their day? This is a good research example because if you notice that one team is doing really bad because of their manager, maybe it's time to replace that manager or look into training them in order to behave in the company's cultural ways, or possibly just moving them to a different department that better matches their personality. How does it all fit in? Well, employees are the foundation of every company, and that foundation is the key to their success. I'll have little charts and stuff in the PowerPoint after this video, but I thought it'd be fun to make this nonetheless. So I hope you learned something today and you enjoy the rest of the presentation. And this is just how microorganizational behavior fits into the grand scheme of everything in the bigger puzzle.